The question of whether a universal meaning of life exists remains one of the most profound philosophical inquiries that has captivated humanity for centuries. It touches not only philosophers, but also anyone who has ever pondered why they live and what role they play in the world. A universal meaning of life implies that there is a single overarching purpose that applies equally to all people, regardless of their culture, religion, or circumstances. For many, this could involve the pursuit of happiness, striving for love, building a family, or achieving harmony with the surrounding world. Religions often provide their versions of a universal purpose. Christianity emphasizes serving God and saving one's soul. Buddhism focuses on attaining enlightenment, and Islam highlights following divine commandments. In all these approaches, there is a shared idea that the meaning of life is connected to higher forces or the laws of nature. However, there is also the viewpoint that no universal meaning of life exists. This idea is often associated with existentialism, which suggests that meaning is created individually by each person. Jean-Paul Sartre, a prominent existentialist, stated that existence precedes essence, meaning that a person exists first and then determines who they are and what their life's purpose will be. In this context, life is seen as a blank canvas that each individual can fill as they choose. The modern world adds new dimensions to this question. In a globalized society where cultures, ideologies, and technologies intersect, people often feel lost. Social media, for instance, creates the illusion that life's purpose lies in achieving success, recognition, or material wealth. But are these values truly universal? For some, they might be profoundly important, while others find meaning in creativity, spirituality, or relationships. The scientific perspective on life's meaning is also intriguing. From a biological standpoint, life could be reduced to survival and reproduction. But is this enough to make a person feel happy and fulfilled? Do human aspirations not transcend biological needs? It is precisely these questions that drive people to search for a deeper significance in their existence. One critical aspect of the search for life's meaning is its individuality. For some, meaning lies in serving others. For others, it is in self-realization or simply savoring the moment. This approach demonstrates that the meaning of life can vary for each person and depends on their values, experiences, and desires. Perhaps we will never find a single answer to the question of a universal meaning of life. However, the search itself may be more important than the outcome. It helps us understand who we are, what matters to us, and how we can make our lives fulfilling. Openness to new ideas, understanding different perspectives, and a willingness to ask challenging questions are tools that bring us closer to an answer, even if it remains uniquely personal. Thank you for watching.